Hello everyone, welcome back to another crafty decor party. In today's video, I'm over the moon, excited to share with you a step-by-step tutorial on how I decorated this Christmas tree using Dollar Tree ornaments, deco mesh, and some inexpensive goodies. So I'd love to share with you guys how you can have a boutique gorgeous home on a teeny tiny budget. You do not have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. So this is episode 18 in my huge I Love Christmas series. You guys, we have done so many DIY Dollar Tree tutorials on my channel, as well as some baking and decorating. So definitely check out the huge I Love Christmas playlist. I'm gonna link in the description box below. I've shared so many different styles with you guys, whether it be the black and white buffalo check plaid, this red rustic, we've done glam, pink Christmas, so many different videos for you all to choose from and get you totally inspired. But without further ado, go ahead and grab some ornaments, some ribbon, and let's get to decorating. So to get started decorating my Christmas tree, I just want to go ahead and put my Christmas tree together. This is the Walmart flocked Christmas tree. It's 6.5 foot. It comes in 3 pieces, and it is also a pre-lit tree. I've had a lot of people asking me about that. And also, when you put your Christmas trees together, make sure you try to fluff every branch before you start the decorating process. It'll just make them look a lot prettier. So to get started, I am going to use 4 rolls of the Dollar Tree deco mesh. So I'm just going to take the deco mesh and I'm going to start at the top of my tree. And then I'm just going to kind of make little poofs and just kind of wind it in and around my tree. So I'm just going to kind of cross it over the front part of the tree and just continue to kind of wind it. So I'm just doing a little bit of random deco meshing, if that makes sense to you guys. But what I want to do is kind of just create this ribboning effect to fill out my tree. Deco mesh is a really, really great filler, especially if you grab some from Dollar Tree. It's super cheap, but I did notice, you guys, that Walmart has some as well. So I'm just continuing to kind of randomly push my deco mesh into the tree. I'm starting now from the left side and I'm pulling it over and crisscrossing it over that very first piece. And you guys can see that piece off to the left that kind of pulled out. I don't want that. I went ahead and did push that piece back in. So you want your deco mesh to kind of be in little fluffy ruffled spots, but you don't want it poking out super far. Comment and let me know if you guys have any questions on this. So here's a little bit of a close-up. I'm just starting at the top of my tree and I'm using the evergreen branches to kind of tie the deco mesh in, and then I'm also just pushing it in to some of the random spots. Now I'm going to take this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It's in that super popular red and black buffalo check. And then I'm also taking this beautiful burlap fabric. It's in a wider, I believe it's 4 inches, and I got it from burlapfabric.com. It comes in a huge roll of 100 yards, which is amazing if you guys are decorating quite a bit for Christmas. I'm going to leave a $5 off coupon for the burlapfabric.com down in the description box below for you, as well as a link for the size of the burlap that I'm using. So again, I'm just taking my burlap and I'm kind of just ruffling it down one side of the tree, and then as you can see, I'm taking it and I'm putting it and kind of ruffling it down the other side of the tree. So I'm pulling out about 12-inch little poofs, and then I'm just kind of spiraling it in and around the tree. Now, you guys, this doesn't have to be perfect. This is kind of a rustic, chic, farmhouse style tree, and I don't think that it has to be perfect. So I'm just giving you guys permission, if you're doing this, to just try to take a deep breath and relax when you're doing your ribboning and just really have fun with the process. And I did use, again, 4 rolls of the Dollar Tree red deco mesh, and then I used 5 of the little strands of burlap ribbon. So I cut 5 pieces that were about 6-foot pieces to kind of give this ribboning effect. And so I'm just continuing on now to the back of the tree. I also had somebody ask me a question if you can take and make like a half tree in case you don't have a lot of space in your living room, and you absolutely can. So here is a look at how the ribboning should look, just to show you guys a little bit of a close-up. And then back to the half tree idea, if you guys don't have much room, you can always push your tree up just a little bit and then kind of decorate by ribboning around it. And I'll try to show you guys an example in a future upcoming video. So now I'm taking some of that red buffalo check plaid ribbon, and I'm going to follow the wave of ribbon that is with the burlap ribbon. So I'm just adding it on top of that burlap ribbon. So you guys can see I'm just kind of waving it down the front part of the tree, and I'm just following that line. And again, I'm using the branches of the Christmas tree to kind of cross together to hold everything on, and then I'm just trimming off that buffalo check plaid ribbon. So just continue to add the buffalo check plaid ribbon on top of your burlap, or you could add it in addition to the burlap, but I really like how it looks. And then again, I'm crisscrossing it back over as I go. In my last decorating video, I did a black and white buffalo check plaid Christmas tree for you guys, and I just did the ribboning straight down. So if you guys need help or you want a different style or technique, go back and watch that video too. It shows a similar pattern of ribboning, but it's just coming straight down. This is more of a crisscross pattern. Now it is time to add the Christmas tree topper, and I'm going to go in with some Dollar Tree florals. I'm using the Dollar Tree red berries and the little Dollar Tree sparkle stems, and you can see I'm just twist tying that on with a pipe cleaner, and it looks a little bit funky now, but we're going to fill that in with a bow. So I just tied an Olivia bow with this big burlap bow, and if you guys need help with bows, I have a huge bow tutorial, super easy because I'm definitely bow challenged. So I just fluff that up, and then I did use my Pro Bow the hand, which is a bow maker, to make this center bow, and I'm just adding that on top of the burlap bow because I love big bows, and I cannot lie because I go totally over the top with my bows. I always love to do florals and bows for my Christmas tree toppers. It's just kind of one of my signature things. And then I'm just going to take some of that Dollar Tree greenery and this little lamb's ear. I found it at Walmart for 98 cents, and I'm adding that in to draw the eye up even taller. So this is another trick you guys can use, is a little tree topper will make your Christmas tree actually look taller than it is. So now I'm going in with some ornaments. I found a really great deal on some red and white ornaments at a garage sale, and then for the rest of the tree I'm using those Dollar Tree buffalo check plaid ornaments that they put out. They have them in the Christmas trees and then the round ornaments, and then I'm using some Dollar Tree sparkly deer, and then I love the Dollar Tree peace, love, and joy ornaments. They look kind of woodsy, and they were absolutely perfect for this tree. I was really wondering if I was going to end up using them or doing a repaint on them. As soon as I put this tree up, I knew. And then another little trick you guys can use, so some of those big Dollar Tree giant bows to fill your tree out, and you can also use some of those little mini signs. I didn't end up using the mini sign on this tree, but it's just an idea for you guys if you need more filler. Now I like a really over-the-top full tree, but if you want less ribbon, you could always cut your ribbon in half, but I like to kind of do that really pretty designer style ribboning. So once I get closer to finishing my tree, I'll go in with some of the smaller little round ornaments that I collect along the way at thrift stores, or you can also find them in packs at the Dollar Tree. You can see the little red ones. And then there's some larger ornaments. Again, I found these at a garage sale, but Dollar Tree does carry those larger ornaments. Now, here's a quick little DIY for you. I found this little checkered tablecloth. It is a vinyl picnic tablecloth. I picked it up for $1 at a garage sale, and I'm just going to use it to make a quick little impromptu tree skirt. And this is also really great to use, honestly, you guys, if you have a flocked Christmas tree, because the flocking does like to fall off on this Christmas tree and kind of get everywhere. So anyway, I found those little Dollar Tree cookies for Santa plates, and then I just love how this turned out. So the little signs and the little red truck are also from Dollar Tree, because I know I will have others ask. And then here is the tree in all of its glory. Oh my goodness. I am over the moon in love with this tree. I think it is so rustic farmhouse chic. It is adorable. And my daughter came home from school today and she was over the moon in love with it. So I definitely think I'm going to be adding some pops of red into my Christmas tree decor for the living room. I may go just really traditional for that one. But I'm loving how this came out. I think it is beautiful up against the white walls, and then even those green curtains. I added a white curtain into the center of my green curtains. I just think everything really, really pops. Comment and let me know, what style are you guys going to be using for Christmas this year? I love to hear how everybody decorates. Will you be using some of these techniques that I shared with you today in your home decor? I always love to hear your feedback and love to know what you guys are up to. It's so fun to hear everybody's color combinations and different styles that you guys share. And then in this video too, I have a recipe that I'm going to share with you guys and my little thrift store outfit of the day. If you guys keep watching, here it comes. So now that we have had a blast crafting away, let's pop over into my little kitchen, and I want to share with you guys this fun and fabulous easy recipe. I decided to make some carrot cake cupcakes for my kiddos. They love carrot cake. So you basically make the carrot cake cupcakes the same way that you would make a cake, but then you just divide them into the little cupcake liners. So you use the cake mix, 3 eggs. I used butter for mine. I'm a butter girl. I love butter, you guys. Comment and let me know if you love butter too. And then the water, and then you're going to mix it together really well. You're going to mix for about 2 minutes. And as I was preparing this, I realized I didn't have quite as many cupcake liners as I needed. So I decided to go ahead and split the cupcakes up in one pan and then just do a side cake in the other pan. Mr. Romantic really loves this cake. He's been asking for some recently, and it's taken me a while to get around to it. And then there's my treat, because I'm on keto. If you guys saw that, that was the Halo Top ice cream. It's really good if you're doing like a low carb or keto. So here's my cute little cupcakes after they're all finished. And do be careful because the cupcakes cook a lot quicker. I had the cupcakes and the cake in the oven, so the cupcakes cooked in about half the time. So definitely read your instructions for that, guys. And then here it is. Oh my goodness, yummy. So delicious, hot, and I did have to go ahead and add that favorite bit of butter that I absolutely love. I used cream cheese icing to ice these, and the kiddos were definitely hopping right on them as soon as they hit the house after school today. Okay, you guys, here is my thrift store outfit of the day. I found this cute little plaid top. I thought it would be really great for the holidays and even kind of fall time. I usually don't wear a lot of red. I've been trying to make myself branch out a little bit. And then I just have them paired with these super comfy jeans. I found these at TJ Maxx a couple years ago, and I've just worn them slap out. And then I have these paired with my sandals. These are just some Croc sandals. I do have some like these linked in my Amazon store if you guys have any kind of feet problems or you just need some really comfy shoes. These are like lifesavers to me. So anyway, there you guys have it. This is definitely mom work comfy. So anyway, thank you guys for all of your kind love on my thrift store outfits of the day. Oh, and these cute little gold hoops I also found at the thrift store as well. So there you guys have it, mom casual comfy thrift store outfit. To share a quick recap of some of the videos in my huge I Love Christmas series, we put up my Christmas tree in episode 1. In episode 2, I shared with you guys an amazing Dollar Tree haul, as well as transform some Dollar Tree Halloween and fall items into Christmas items, another haul, and then I shared with you guys how to transform everyday objects into beautiful ornaments. I did a lovely little candy cane DIY series, as well as took 6 different candy cane theme wreaths and shared with you guys also this cute little elf transformation, a wonderful Dollar Tree centerpiece, and then I've also shared with you guys several different glam and pink Christmas ideas. Here was the rustic kind of farmhouse I shared with you guys. Here was the Dollar Tree garland that I shared with you guys, as well as how to decorate this beautiful Christmas tree using Dollar Tree ornaments. I combined everything for you, as well as some other wonderful DIYs I've shared along the way. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous DIY decorating adventure. Again, this is episode 18 in my huge I Love Christmas series. You guys, we are having the biggest jamming out Christmas party on my channel. I love to share with you guys a ton of decorating and budget-friendly DIYs to get your home holiday ready. And also, I think crafting and decorating is just so good for your soul. I definitely craft and decorate my stress away, and I love to see all of you guys' projects, so thank you for all the projects you're sharing with me on Facebook and Instagram. You guys are just amazing. So I have a ton more tutorials planned for you. If you guys love to crazy craft like me, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you be here and part of this fun little community. There's also a little bell. If you click that, it will notify you every time I upload a new video. So thank you guys again. I love you to the moon and back. I'm wishing you a gorgeous, blessed weekend. Remember, be kind to yourself and be kind to one another. Until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.